Hi there! In this video, we will walk you through how to fill out the IRS Form W-9. It's super important because businesses use this form to collect your taxpayer identification number, which they need for tax reporting. Let's get started. The W-9 is a simple one-page form that helps businesses or individuals who hire independent contractors report their income to the IRS. You'll fill out basic information like your name, address, and taxpayer identification number. Here's how you fill it out. Step 1. Name. Enter your full legal name in the first box as it appears on your tax return. If you're filing as a business, put your business name. Step 2. Business name, if applicable. If you have a separate business name or DBA, doing business as, enter that in the second box. Step 3. Federal tax classification. Choose the box that applies to you, like individual sole proprietor or LLC. If you're unsure, check with a tax professional. If you are an LLC, remember that you must select a classification, C, S, or P. If you don't select one, the W-9 will be incomplete. Step 4. Enter your address. Provide your mailing address, including street, city, state, and zip code. Next, enter your taxpayer identification number, TIN, in Part 1. This is either your Social Security number, SSN for individuals, or Employer Identification Number, EIN for businesses. Make sure to double-check this for accuracy. Finally, in Part 2, you'll sign and date the form to certify that the information you provided is correct. This is important because it verifies that the TIN you gave is valid. And that's it. Once completed, send the form directly to the person or business requesting it, not the IRS. They'll use it to prepare any 1099 forms and report payments to the IRS. Filling out a W-9 is simple, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your trustful accounting associate. Thanks for watching.